Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to plot radar chart in Excel. A radar chart, also known as a spider chart or a star chart, is a graphical method of displaying multivariate data in the form of two-dimensional chart. It is particularly useful for comparing multiple quantitative variables represented on different axes that radiate out from a common center point. The key components and feature of the radar chart are axes. The axes of the radar chart represent different variables or categories. Each axis extends outward from the center and represents a different quantitative scale. These axes are equally spaced around the center point. Data points. Data points are plotted along each axis according to the value of the corresponding variable. These points are then connected to form a line or a polygon, visually displaying the relationship between the variables. The center point where all axes meet represents a value of 0 for all variables. Data points located closer to the outer edge of the chart indicate the higher values for their respective variables. Radar charts are often used in various fields including business, sports, and science research to visualize and compare multiple attributes or performance metrics. Let's take an example to understand how we plot the radar chart. In the first column, we are having the name of the employees. In second, the salary drawn. So John is drawing the maximum salary, and therefore the point of the John on the radar chart will be farthest from the center point. And James is drawing the lowest salary, and therefore its point will be nearer to the center point. Let's check it. Select the data, insert, recommended charts, all charts, radar chart. The options available are radar with markers and field radar. Let's start with the radar with markers. Click OK. You can see that the John is located at the farthest from the center as he is drawing the maximum salary. And James and Douglas are nearer to the center point as they are drawing the less salary. Now click on this. You can add chart elements from here, that is axis, chart title, about chart, center overlay, data labels, so data callout, grid lines, primary major horizontal, primary minor horizontal, legend, right, top, left, bottom. The quick layout available are colors can be changed from here. The options which are available are press the plus sign. You can add chart elements from here also. It's the same thing which we discuss here. Just you have to tick mark it and select which chart elements you want to add. Color can be changed from here. Style. You can also activate the filters. Let's say if there are more categories and if your radar chart becomes clumsy and you want to eliminate some of the variables. So let me remove James. Apply. Douglas. Apply. So these things are also possible. Now double click on the chart. Solid fill. You can select any other color also from here. Gradient fill. Picture or texture. Pattern fill. Automatic. We can have a border. Solid line. Let's select the border. The width of the border can be increased. Dash type we can change. Gradient fill, automatic, So these are all the options which are available for chart area. Now select this. We can have a shadow. The shadow color can be selected. You can see the shadow has appeared. The size of the shadow, blur, angle, distance. So let's make it no shadow so that you can see the effect of glow. Transparency can be increased or decreased. Soft edges. Ready format. So we can have a 3D format here. Click here. Size of the chart. Height can be increased. Width can be increased. In properties, keep the things as it is. Go in text options. Text field. At present, it's a solid field. Make it gradient, picture or texture. Pattern field. You can select the pattern. You keep solid field. Text outline. Solid line. Or no line. Text effects. Now, in text effects, we are having reflection activated. Select any one reflection and the reflection will appear. All other options are same layer like shadow, glow, soft edges. 3D format and 3D rotation is not available. We can change the rotation of the text if available. So it's not active here. So you cannot do it. Now double click on this series. Click here. Solid line. We can change the color from here. Gradient line. Automatic. We can also change the color of the markers. Click here. Marker options. Size can be increased. In field, solid field, we can change the color. Gradient field, picture or texture field, pattern field, automatic. Borders. So if we require borders for the marker, we can change. Now click on shadow. If necessary, then activate it. The shadow has appeared. Let's select the white color shadow. Similarly, you can also activate glow, soft edges. 3D format is not available. Let me check. Yeah, 3D format is available. That is for the markers, it is available. 3D format. So this was all about how to plot radar chart in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also join me on LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram. Link given in the description box.